This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, now two words on the gold market, since the situation here is also hasn't changed much since yesterday trading session. As I said in the research that dedicated to the Forex markets, today's situation, I really didn't find anything really interesting that could be traded right now immediately. And that's why I have decided to speak about the Great British Pound again. The same is on the gold. So it's the major assumption we have made yesterday, and the setup that we have got now stands in progress, and it's nothing to add right now really to the core of this setup. But just some details maybe we could update based on the current situation on the gold market. So the major idea is the same. Market has hit significant resistance area. That is the monthly pivot point, and finally market has tested this pivot point, but stands, take a look, stands below it. Also, that is the major fib resistance, the 3.8 fib resistance of the whole thrust down, 1321. As I said, guys, yesterday, if you will draw another fib levels from that high, this reaction point to this low, to the focus number, you will get also the 618 fib resistance in this area. So that, in fact, the daily confidence resistance, so really strong area. And what another level could trigger, could become the barrier for the market, if not this area that could stop the upward retracement, and from which another level market could start move down rather than from this area. I think that is most suitable level for to treat it as the area where the market could start downward retracement. And market should start this retracement mostly due to this strong thrust down, because the momentum, the impulse of this thrust is really significant, and price should feel it sooner or later. And probably that's the moment where, at least from the odds point of view, from the probability point of view, that's the perfect area where market should start to feel this bearish momentum and should start move retracement to the downside. Okay, that's the major idea of our setup. And right now we see that in general market shows the behavior that stands absolutely in a row with our expectations, at least right now, and this setup probably is starting to work. So if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see that trend has shifted bearish. On the 4-hour time frame chart, market stands in the long term. This is some sort of the upward channel, so multiple ABCDs inside of it. Maybe you will find even agreement with the 1321 area from some ABCD pattern or something of that sort. Anyway, market has hit at the same time the upper border of this channel and started move to the downside, small retracement. Yesterday we also said that on the hourly time frame chart we in fact have the reversal pattern. That is the 3-drive sell. It's 1618 3-drive sell, right? Because the range, the ratio that market holds with this pattern is 1618. Take a look. The first drive, the second stands at 1618 of the first. If you will measure the extension of this retracement to the upside, you'll get the 1618. The third drive stands at 1618 of the second. That's very typical. Also, you can see some kind of the divergence with the MACD right at the major resistance. Don't forget that this is really strong resistance area. And right now, market at least is trying to show the retracement, is trying to start this move down. And currently, market feels the pressure of the resistance and maybe the pressure of the previous bearish momentum of the bearish thrust on the daily time frame chart. We'll see. But at least currently, the behavior is absolutely in a row with our analysis, and it looks like that maybe we are right with the assumption that probably market is starting to move to the downside. Just to remind you that the target of the 3-drive is the low between the second and third drive. So that's the minimum target. I suspect that if market will start moving lower, it should reach around 13 even. So that's our setup. So if you have taken the short position yesterday based on our analysis, you could keep it. Maybe you will be able even move your stop to the break-even right now, something of that sort. Well, we'll see. But right now I don't see any problems with this position, and do not see any warning factors, warning issues that could tell us that we are wrong and maybe market will jump out to the upside. Right now it seems that everything is okay, and maybe we will get the continuation to the downside. But this setup right now seems very probable, and it's really solid. So it's have this setup has significant foundation, and I think that it could be traded. Let's see what will happen next. Currently, we will stand with this analysis until market will not change the situation, or until it will not reach the target of this 3 drive patch.